Tell the story of how we got it.
Okay, so I posted a funny video on my Instagram page last night. Guys, if you're on top man, or man is on top you right now, you better come down or you push him away. Is it back pain, waist pain? It's real.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I was just frustrated. Why don't they tell the pregnant women that this is what you should expect before you get pregnant? Because before you marry, they'll do marriage counseling. But before you carry pregnant, they do pre-pregnant counseling. So I posted it and people were commenting and all of that. And I just remember that my dad usually comes here now. So I tagged him and I said, please, is there a solution for me, pregnant women? And he was online, he responded and said yes now. And I was so happy. Immediately I sent the WhatsApp message and he also told me that someone who I know, Stotch, came to do this adjustment when she was pregnant. And I remember that's true. Like, Stotch too commented, she responded and said yes, that she did this procedure when she was pregnant. What's I can't define sense?
Your stomach is not because you overate.
No.
It's not.
Yeah, 7 months plus.
7 months plus.
Yes. Oh, Jehovah. Jesus. Oh! Babe, that will enter.
Yes, yeah.
And it's not painful, though.
I never know.
Oh. Ooh. Oh! Babe, that left side, I've been complaining of. Yenta. Oh.
A few moments later.
I feel like if I go into labor now, they ask me to push, I can comfortably all the nuts and bolts have been losing. Like, I feel I'm ready to conquer. I feel like labor has got nothing of me right now.
Dude, they don't have the labor here.
So please give pregnant women more awareness on this.
This is the way.
We don't say we need this thing. We are always scared that. Thank you, dog.
Yes.